Hi guys, Vine here. Today we're going to be making some pork floss mini cakes. It's a very simple recipe. Here are all the ingredients. Let's get baking!
In a large bowl, add milk, add oil, whisk them together until they're well combined, like a very creamy kind of texture. Mix in the flour. Separate the white and the yolk of 2 eggs with your clean hands. Add the 2 yolks into the flour mixture. Whisk until well combined. The texture should be very smooth. Add a few droplets of white vinegar or lemon juice into the egg whites and whisk. Add sugar in 3 separate goes. It's gonna take a while to whisk the egg whites.
Not quite ready yet.
You want the egg whites to reach stiff peak stage, like this. Mix a small amount of the egg white into the egg yolk first. Whisk until the mixture is smooth. And then tip it all back into the egg whites. Mix everything together using the folding method, like this. Be gentle because you don't want to deflate the air in the egg whites. That's the key for making a fluffy cake. Pipe some mini cakes on a baking tray. Try to use up all of the batter, don't waste. For this recipe we made 14 mini cakes. Ooh, they're looking plumpy good. Follow the baking instruction on the screen. Ta-da! They're done and they're looking perfect. Alright, let's try one. Look at this texture, it's so soft and fluffy. The cake itself actually tastes so delicious already.
The mini cakes are baked and cooled. So basically we're going to turn it into a sandwich and coat it in pork floss. Let's get busy.
My mum is going to handle the wet and sticky part of the job. I'm going to be handling the dry and fluffy part of the job. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yay! This pork floss mini cakes are actually originally an Asian recipe and they're one of my favourite savoury cakes. Oh my god, they just look perfect. They're so plumpy, so fluffy, and so moist.
Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna try one.
Give it a try at home. They taste so good.
Okay, one more. And before I eat this, bye. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and like and subscribe.
Coming next, Oreo mini cakes. Don't miss out. Bye!